Hey, good morning. We are out here at Groffman, and we are beginning to excavate this walkway. It's getting a new walkway, getting a new front porch, and it'll be milled, natural cleft flagstone, dry laid for the walkway. So yeah, our goal today is to dig the footers for the front porch. Front porch is getting a little bit larger, and we'll get that inspected, get that ready to pour, and then start digging the walkway. As you can see, we already took out the existing piece of concrete and started on that. So yeah, hopefully we have a good day today. Go ahead. I don't think I saw a level. What do you mean? So we got this all dug out here, as you can see. We got a few runs of number 4 rebar in there. Got it all ready for inspection tomorrow. and hopefully pour it tomorrow. It's going to be a little cold, but we just have to get some heat on that. So we also got the walkway dug out about halfway. So we ran out of room with our dump trailer, so we'll continue digging that tomorrow. We have about a 6-inch over dig on both sides, so you can see why it's